How to remove Gmail or phone number from your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily remove your Gmail or phone number on your Facebook account. So if you have any multiple contact details that is tied up with your account and you want to remove some of them, then just follow these simple steps. First thing first, you have to open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here, you just want to tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. From here, you just scroll down until you see settings and privacy, and then just tap on settings. Once you open up your settings, you will see this account center right on top. Go to your account center. And from here, if you tap on profiles, you'll find all of your connected profiles here. Now, if you go back and scroll down a bit, under your account settings, you will find your personal details. So just tap on personal details. And here you will find all of your contact information, date of birth, and if you have confirmed your identity, it will also show up here. Now just tap on your contact info. Make sure that there needs to be at least one contact that is connected with your Facebook. So make sure if you are deleting something, you add something new. So let's say if I just have my email here and I want to delete this email, I'm just going to add a new contact. And let's say if I want to add a mobile number, I'm just going to enter my mobile number and it will be my new Facebook contact. But after you've added that and you want to delete it, you just tap on the contact info that you want to delete, tap on delete email address and tap on delete, and it will ask you for your verification to enter your password, and this way you can remove your Gmail or phone number from your Facebook. That's it for this video guys. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.